Hello everybody, it is August 30th, 2025. Getting ready to change out the motor oil on the 1988 Honda CBR600F1 Hurricane. And to change out the spark plugs too. Oh, of course, you know, when the oil change happens, you change out the oil filter. Anyways, it's work. It's called PM, preventive maintenance. You gotta keep the old girl running at her very best. Mobile one, don't use nothing else. $30,801.8 miles. A lot of plastic to take off to get in there, but it's called work, and if work wasn't work, it wouldn't be called that, would it? What can I tell you guys? This is something, you know, you want to do to your bikes, you know, PM, give it an oil change and change out the spark plugs. After several years, I think I had about almost 5 years out of this one. Not with the oil change, of course, but just the spark plugs. But anyways, I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing okay. Wish I can had this done already sooner, but I got to get it done. I ordered a fuel filter. It hasn't come in yet, but when it comes in, it'll be changed out too. Y'all have a good weekend. It is a holiday weekend, and I hope you guys have it to enjoy. I had pulled out one of the spark plugs already. Yeah, she's ready to be changed out. Big difference. Take care of small things before they get big, folks. That's how to do what you gotta do. Small things. Take care of them before they get big. Godspeed, everybody. Wishing the best.